Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to reverse a video in Clipchamp. Let's get started. First, open Clipchamp and upload the video you want to reverse. Drag and drop it onto the timeline to begin editing. Next, zoom in on the timeline by adjusting the slider at the bottom. This will allow you to see the individual frames of your video more clearly. Now, cut your video into smaller segments. Place the playhead in the middle of a specific frame and click the split button. Repeat this process to divide your video into multiple sections. Once your video is split into segments, simply drag and drop them in reverse order. Start with the last segment and move it to the beginning, then the second to last segment, and so on. Play through your video to make sure the reversed segments flow smoothly. If needed, adjust the cuts or transitions to ensure everything looks seamless. When you're happy with the result, click the Export button to save your reversed video. Choose your preferred resolution and format, then download the final file. And that's it. If you're ready to create stunning designs, try Canva Pro for free. Link in the description. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.